In this video, we'll be pressing Ariana's hair. Her hair was washed the night before and blow dried, and I just plaited it up so that I can prepare to press it right before church on this Easter morning. So you'll see me sectioning her hair, and I've done a video like this before, and we just decided just to do another one. We'll also be bringing you a video on what we think about pressing hair. If you can look at the texture of Ariana's hair, she has like a very, very baby-like soft textured hair, and so her hair is not really built for the pressing. So she does like to wear her hair pressed, and so I give her the opportunity to do it twice a year. So we may be cutting that down to once a year, and just because she's growing up and we just want her hair to be at its best for as long as possible. So if you would like to watch a video on me pressing Ariana's hair, just keep on watching, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Or stay tuned for the final result, and then we'll see you in the next video, guys. You'll notice when I do press Ariana's hair that I do not get too close to Ariana's roots. Here I'm just using some organic redefined or defined coconut oil that I melted down just to give her hair a coat so that it'll be easy, to get the press. So I can only do maybe 2 passes. I only really like to do 2 passes through her hair. And yeah, I coat her hair with some coconut oil, not too heavy, but it does help from her hair refrizzing up again so quickly. So it's almost like it helps with the frizz. It helps with the easier press. And also I do not like pressing Ariana's hair close to the roots. So you'll see in the end where around her roots don't look as pressed, and that's fine with me because I can always tie her hair up, use a little edge control around her edges or some Murray's beeswax, tie her hair up, and her edges will lay down just as fine in that manner. But pressing her hair around her kitchen and her hairline and her edge line, I am not for that because I know that it's just hard to control how close you can get. And also, I do have a straightening iron. She just doesn't like to see those things come. And you'll see something red on her neck, but that's from my nails. But definitely not burning my child so her hair can be straight because she has gorgeous hair regardless.
Mind you, the hair's about the same look. Natural. You don't want to be affiliated with a home. Because it does like a home.
It's a temporary one.
That's the point. It's definitely temporary. As soon as the water, sweat, or whatever, humidity.
It's gonna get fuzzier.
Exactly. It pops right big. But I got a lot of oil in it, so I need to keep it from napping up. Don't.
She only did this 3 times. This is the 3rd time.
No, that's not.
Yes, it is.
It's the 3rd time in her life, but we do it twice a year.
Yes.
Christmas and Easter. That's it. Birthdays don't even get presses. Whole life she only had her hair pressed 3 times. 2 Easters and 1 Christmas so far.
Mine don't even know the numbers of my birthday. This is the finishing touching.
You can't see that. Subscribe. That's funny.
Okay, next one. This is my first one. I straightened my hair today.
You straighten your hair or your mom?
My mom. Oh, no. They say, do you love me? I tell the only part, the only that my bed